TIRTIR's got to work on their shade range. I hope that's what you went all the way to Japan to tell them. I'm way ahead of you. I'm here at the TIRTIR lab trying out their brand new shade range. This is the TIRTIR factory in Korea, and I'm here getting a first look at the new shades coming out this month. They know you've been waiting for a shade expansion, and you know TIRTIR acts quick. They even held a survey to see which shades you guys want, and here they are. And I'm particularly happy about this because since it's summer, my shade actually changed. So I had them shade match me to one of the new shades. Turns out my new shade is 45W. That's right, we finally have a W shade for you warm girlies. All of these shades are so freaking gorgeous, and I cannot wait for you guys to try them. They even let me make my own compact so I could take home my shade before it even comes out in stores. This was actually way harder than it looks, guys. I was struggling. It's so fun to work with a brand that actually listens to their customers and cares about what they think. They take the criticism and work to improve. Thanks, TIRTIR.